I could have actually done a tunnel in there for that wire if I would have thought about it, but nobody's going to care, are they? Hands up if you're caring. Go on. Right, I think I've done it. This one pulls open, this one stays still. Wire running air to positive, wire running air to neutral negative. Right, what we want now is to work out what are these. 3.7 367 voltage. So we need something to go on the end of here now. I'd say about a 5 amp. 5 amp too. Well, there you go. This is my headlamp, and all I did was drop it, and somehow it broke that out of there. It's not in there, it's gone. Whatever. But let's see. So yeah, it all works. We don't make things, we mend them. That's all I ever seem to be doing, is mending things. So they'll go in there. Wrong way, Rob. That's live, so it'll be facing that way. And then you just pull back and drop. There.